Assalamualaikum class. Welcome to your next English class for KG2. Today we are going to do our English work. Take out your English books, word of letters. Open your books, page number 15. Page number 15. Write today's date on the top. You can see the option of date. What is the date today? 24th July 2020. Write CW. Read the question. Read the heading first. Let's meet the letter S. Which letter we are going to do? Yes, we are going to do letter S. And what is the sound of letter S? S. What is the sound? S. Yes, same as if a snake is there. What snake sound? S. Same sound S. We are going to read about S. The sound is S. What we have to do? Fill in the first letter for the given picture. You can see the pictures? Yes, snail, squirrel, star, spoon, snake. So, you have to write the first letter in all the words to complete it. Start with me. S, write snail. What it will become? Snail. Squirrel. Star. Star. Write S, spoon. Spoon. S, snake. Snake. Then so. Now in between you can see a big huge S. You have to trace these dots and make a nice S. Now what you have to do? You have to color yellow. Don't color the sun yellow, just only color the edges. You can see the triangle part of the sun. Color these yellow parts and color it very nicely. Don't let it come out from this black line. You have to color all the corners of the sun with your yellow color. Don't color the sun from inside, this part. Just color these edges. Now, come down, you can see, read, trace and write. You have to write, first you have to read the letters, then you have to trace first line and write down in both these lines. First trace with me, S. Read while writing S. S. Now come in this line, touch both the grass lines and write S. Touch both the grass line and write S. And read S. Sound S. 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 Read the letter and read the sound. Now come in this box. I can draw something beginning with S. What you have to do? You have to draw a picture which begins with S. You can draw snail, squirrel, star, spoon, snake or so. And you can draw a sun also. But I have done a star for you. You have to take out your pencils and draw a beautiful star on this blank space. Now take out your blue color and color the star with blue color. And write star down. S T A R. Star. This was your book work. Now read the page again. Snail, squirrel, star, spoon, snake, so. Snail, squirrel, star, spoon, snake, so. And in between it is sun. This was your page number 15. Complete this page, read the letter with the sound. Now take out your English copy work. Take out your copy, classwork and homework both. Open your copies. What you have to do today is write today's date, 24th July 2020. Write the heading, write A to Z and circle the vowels. Your work is very easy today. What you have to do, you have to write your small letter A to Z and then you have to circle the vowels. पहले आप पूरी ABCD लिखेंगे small letters में, फिर जिसमें उसके अंदर जितने vowels हैं उसको circle करेंगे and circle the vowels with blue color. First we will write the small letter ABCD. Start your work, write with me, touch both the lines and write A, B, C, D. And remember, you have to write only 4 letters in one line. Don't write more than 4 letters. Then it's come E, touch the grass line while writing E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Excellent work. Now what you have to do is read A to Z again and then circle the vowels. We have to circle the vowels with blue color. Take out your blue colors and read the vowels with me to circle them. A. Is the vowel? Yes. We have to circle A. Take out your blue color and circle the vowel of A. Then B. B is a vowel? No. C? No. D? No. Then comes E. E is a vowel? Yes. Very good. E is a second vowel word. Circle E. Next F. F is a vowel? No. G is a vowel? No. H is a vowel? No. Then come in the next line. It's come I. Is I is a vowel? Read the vowels with me. A, E, I. Yes, I is a vowel. We have to circle I. Then J is not a vowel, K is not a vowel, L is not a vowel, M and N, they both also not a vowel. Then it comes O. First read the vowels with me. A, E, I, O. Yes, there is a sound of O. We have to circle the vowel of O. Very good. Then it comes P, Q, R, S, T. All these letters are not vowels. These are consonant. Then it comes U. First read the vowels. U is there? A, E, I, O, U. Yes. U is also a vowel. Circle the vowel of U. Very good. Read again. V, W, X, Y, Z. All these letters are not vowels. So, read the vowels with me again, which we have circled. A, E, I, O, U. You also check your work. You have done right. Very good. This was your work of today. Write A to Z and then circle the vowels. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum class. वेलकम टू योर नेक्स्ट उर्दू क्लास। आज हम उर्दू की कॉपी का काम करेंगे KG2 के लिए। उर्दू की कॉपीज निकालिए। माइंड क्वेस्ट उर्दू कॉपी सीरीज, सफ़ा नंबर 23, सफ़ा नंबर 23। आज हम करेंगे भारी हुरूफ। भारी हुरूफ दो चश्मी है को कहा जाता है। जब हम दो चश्मी है से कोई काम लिखते हैं तो उसमें आवाज़ में मोटापन मतलब भारीपन आ जाता है। जैसे भ, फ, थ, ठ, स, झ, ये है भारी हुरूफ। सबसे पहले ऊपर तारीख लिखेंगे 24 जुलाई 2020, 24 जुलाई 2020। ऊपर लिखेंगे CW, घर क्लास का काम, जमात का काम। सबसे पहली तस्वीर देखिए, भालू। ऊपर हेडिंग पढ़े भारी आवाज़। अब भालू की आवाज़ आप निकालें तो क्या है, भारी हुरूफ आ रहा है पहले, भालू। जैसे यहाँ लिखा हुआ है भारी आवाज़, तो भारी आवाज़ का भी पहला क्या है, बिगनिंग साउंड भारी। आवाज़ें पढ़ें और लिखें, मतलब हम इसको रीड भी करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे भी और लिखेंगे भी। मेरे साथ इसको पढ़ेंगे। ये क्या है, भ। ये देखें पहले लिखा हुआ है भ, फिर इसको जब आवाज़ में जानवर का नाम लेंगे तो वो बन जाएगा भालू। तो इसका शुरू का क्या है, भ, आ, लू, भालू। फिर है फ, पे की आधी शक्ल, उसको दो चश्मे एक के साथ मिलाएंगे तो वो बन गया फ। फूल, फे वाव, फूला, फूल। ये है भ भालू, फ फूल। पहले हम सादे हुरूफ में कैसे पढ़ते थे, ब बंदर, प पत्ता। अब दो चश्मे है लग गया इसके साथ तो ये अल्फाज हमारा भारी हो गया। ब से भ पे आ गया, प से फ पे आ गया। ब भालू, प क्या बन गया, फ, फ फूल। इसको देखकर पहले जो लिखा हुआ है इसको ट्रेस करेंगे। इस पे पेंसिल फेरिए ताकि आपको ये अल्फाज बनाना आ जाए। बहुत आसान है। यहाँ से यूँ करके इस तरह उसको ऊपर लेके जाइए और फिर एक नुक्ता, और साथ साथ इसकी आवाज़ भी निकालें, भ। इसकी आवाज़ कैसे निकलेगी, भ, फिर फ। पे के नीचे 3 नुक्ते। प्लीज़ गंदा गंदा काम नहीं करना है। डू योर वर्क वेरी नाइस। बहुत सफाई से अपना काम करेंगे आप लोग। पेंसिल फेरने के बाद इन तमाम लकीरों में जो आपने लिखी हुई यहाँ पे ड्रॉ हुई लाइन्स, उसमें आपने भ लिखना है मेरे साथ। स्टार्ट राइटिंग, मेरे साथ लिखना शुरू करें। भ, भ, भ। और इस तरह आप ये तमाम काम मुकम्मल करेंगे जैसे ऊपर लिखा गया है। बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से देखकर आपने इस पूरे सफ़े को मुकम्मल करना है और साथ साथ इन अल्फाजों को पढ़ना है। फिर से पढ़ेंगे मेरे साथ। भ भालू, फ फूल। सादी आवाज़ में अगर निकालेंगे तो पहले पढ़ेंगे ब, फिर भारी आवाज़ की दो चश्मे हैं मिलाएंगे तो पढ़ेंगे भ, और जब इस जानवर का नाम लेंगे मतलब इस तस्वीर पे जो पिक्चर बनी, यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर बनी हुई है उसका जब नाम लेंगे तो वो क्या बनेगा, भ भालू। इसी तरह पे प, दो चश्मे के साथ मिलाएंगे तो बन जाएगा फ, फ फूल, ब भालू, फ फूल। अब हम सफ़ा नंबर 24 करेंगे, पेज नंबर 24, सफ़ा नंबर 24। सबसे पहले आज की डेट डालेंगे, तारीख लिखेंगे 24 जुलाई 2020, CW जमात का काम। अब आता है अल्फाज ते, दो चश्मे के साथ मिलाएंगे तो बन जाएगा थ, थैली। हम बाजार जाते हैं, सामान लेकर आते हैं, हम सामान किस में रखते हैं? थैली में। यस, थैली। बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से जैसे हमने पिछला सफ़ा किया था। पहले हम इसकी ट्रेसिंग लाइन कंप्लीट करेंगे और उस पर 2 नुक्ते डालेंगे। थे के ऊपर 2 नुक्ते, फिर टे से क्या बन जाएगा ये? ठ। और किसकी तस्वीर है? ठेला। हमारी गली में सब्जी वाले आते हैं, सब्जी वाले अक्सर सामान किसके ऊपर रखकर लाते हैं? ठेले के ऊपर। वेरी गुड। ये क्या है? ठेला। शाबाश। पढ़े इसको। ठेला, थैली, ठेला। पहले पेंसिल से हाथ फेरेंगे इसके ऊपर, इस तरीके से इसके ऊपर पेंसिल फेरिए। उसके बाद तमाम लाइनों में अपना काम 3-3 मरतबा, जैसे यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, ठ। ये पूरा सफ़ा आप मुकम्मल करेंगे। सफ़ा नंबर 23 और सफ़ा नंबर 23 पे क्या है? भालू, फूल। फिर सफ़ा नंबर 24 थैली, ठेला। इसको पढ़ेंगे भी और लिखेंगे भी, और इसकी मश्क करते रहिए ताकि आगे आपको कोई भी अल्फाज बनाने में मुश्किल ना हो। ये था हमारा आज का उर्दू का काम, सफ़ा नंबर 23 और सफ़ा नंबर 24। मिलते हैं अपनी अगली क्लास में। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़। अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास, वेलकम टू योर नेक्स्ट मैथ्स क्लास for KG2. Today we are going to do our maths work. Take out your maths books, World of Numbers. Take out your books, open your books, page number 20. Before we have done page number 18 and 19, today we are going to do page number 20. Write today's date. What is the date today? 24th July 2020. And write CW. Today also the work is same. What we have to do? We have to meet the number 14. And you know the counting. Jump the number lines 10 to 4. More make 14. Read from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. What it will become? 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. 10 and 4, 14. Read these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see a butterfly? Yes. The butterfly is jumping, flying and coming on number 11. Then it's flying and coming on number 12, 13 and then 14. Butterfly came on 14. Very good. From 10 to 14. Then you have to write 1 in this line and 4 in the other line. It will become 14. Read and write 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Touch the lines and then write 1, 4, 14. Then come down, it's written again 14. And you can see the circle over here. You have to write the counting in these circles also. From 1 till 14. Start with me. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and the last one is 14. Very good. I hope you also have done all this work with me. Very good. Now what you have to do is, you can see a box. You have to draw 14 semicircles in this box. Semicircle means when you draw a full circle, cut it half, it will become semicircle. Yes. How many semicircles you have to draw? 14. Let's do it. Start with me. Draw first this line and then you have to make a half circle. And you have to do 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Very good. Remember the number and then draw the pictures. Let me count if I have done 14 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. You have to color all these semicircles. And the same way you have to do the next page. Page number 21, page number 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. You have to complete from page number 20 to page number 26. This is your classwork and your homework both. You have to complete your page number 20 to 26. Let me write the date and CW and SW on all the pages. First, page number 20, you can see I have done for you 14. Date and CW I have done for you. Now I am writing page number 21. I am writing the date 24th July 2020. This is your homework. It's very easy. You can do this work very easily. Write the date on all the pages and write HW. Page number 22, page number 23, page number 24, page number 25. Because from 11 to 20 you can do this work very easy. It's not difficult for you because you have done already. You have done the counting till 100. So you have to complete all these pages from page number 20 to page number 26. You can see you have to start from 14 and end on page number 26. Numbers 20, 14 to 20. This was your maths work. Do your homework very neat and tidy. You have to draw the pictures also. You have to complete these circles also. And you have to jump these tracing lines also. Do your work very neat and tidy. I will see this work on Monday. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class.